Well, no segment of the market has done as well as South Routt since the start of the pandemic. The area maintains a robust increase in price, sales, and volume for the past 5 months. Hi, this is John James with the James team at REMAX Partners, and I'm coming to you with yet another Steamboat market update, this time for South Routt, Oak Creek, Stagecoach, Yampa, Taponas, all that, and for the month of September 2020. And as I said, South Routt has really been killing it since the very beginning of the pandemic. It's been pretty amazing to see the amount of growth out that way. And so let's give you the numbers so you can get a little bit more context. So starting with the median sales price, last year it was $256,833. This year, $348,083. So that's a 23.6% increase in the median sales price. Number of sales, not as, it's up, but not nearly as much. It went from 89 to 95 from September of 2019 to this year, and that's a 6.3% increase. And then, but the big one is the sales volume. So we had just under $35 million in sales in September of 2019. This year, $51,890,950 in total dollar volume. That's up 32.8%. That's just crazy numbers. We've seen double digits in median sold price and dollar volume for pretty much every single month since April. So looking at inventory, well, the inventory is down. The days on market's down. It went from 71.3 days to 34.7 days on market. That's a 51.3% drop. That's pretty substantial. So it's taking less time to sell a place in South Routt. The month supply, this is a biggie. It is down to 2.4 months. This is where I say it's kind of in the dangerously low territory. It was already pretty low from last year. It was only 3.4 months last year, so it's a 29.4% drop. We need more listings, and the active listings, those are down as well. They went from 45 to 33. That's 26.7% change in the number of active listings. The one little bright spot is we're starting to see more new listings out in South Routt. So we went from 117 to 132. That's 11.4% change. That's good. We definitely need that because people are still buying. It's kind of crazy. Looking at value, sales to list price ratio, we had 97.4% sales to list last year. It dropped down 0.3% to 97.1. So not a big change. We're not seeing that a very steady change over that in the sales to list price ratio. Price reductions, had 2 last year, none in September this year. So again, they're not staying on the market long enough to need a price reduction. All right, so let's look into our future indicators. So we have the back on markets. Last year, didn't have any. No contracts fell out in the month of September. This year, 1. So you could say that's a 100% increase. But really, this is a trend. I bet you we're going to see more of those as the months go on. And then finally, the pending listings. This is where we're looking to see October is going to be pretty big. Last year it was 107 pendings in September of 2019. This year it's 136. That's 21.3% increase. So October is looking pretty good. Again, the caveat with that is that transactions with mortgages are taking longer. So it's starting to bleed into the next month. So some of these went under contract maybe in early August, and they'll finally close in September. It's kind of hard to say. So, but that might be part of it. But again, it's been strong. It's staying strong. We're looking forward to seeing what October holds. If you have questions, I'm here for you. Give me a call, 970-846-0797. You can text me, leave a comment in the video, or email me at johnjames@jamesteamsteamboat.com. Next up is North Routt, and then finally West Routt, and then we're gonna start moving into October. Crazy. I hope you're enjoying these. We'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.